Welcome back. Have you ever given much thought as to what may be floating in our air? If you suffer with allergies, more than likely you have given it much thought, especially what types of allergies are in the air each day. But how do the experts know what types and how much? Chief Meteorologist Bill Alexander tells us how important this data is collected.
Have you ever wondered what the most common allergens are in the crossroads? I took a trip to the Victoria Allergy Clinic and talked with Cruz Garcia, a lab tech, and he showed us the process to collect the pollen report. First stop, we climb up to the clinic's rooftop to inspect the instrument box, which is made up of simple everyday parts: a rotor rod, a timer, and a little electric motor. Garcia says the rod collects particulates from the air we breathe.
It'll come on for 1 minute every 10 minutes and it starts spinning, and it'll be collecting whatever's in the air.
The rod is covered in petroleum jelly, making it easy for the allergens to stick. At the end of 24 hours, Garcia will remove the rod from beneath the instrument box, place the samples in a microscope slide, and count the number of allergens he's able to see. The counting process may take a few minutes or up to a couple of hours, depending on the amount of allergens collected. Garcia can identify the different allergens based on shape and color. The allergens reported to be in the air on that day is calculated in particulates per cubic meter, which is...
A cubic meter is roughly 39.37 by 39.37 by 39.37 inches, so it's a volume of air.
The more particulates reported filling that volume of air, the higher the value will be, and the more sneezing, coughing, and suffering. From there, a report is created, which we bring to you each evening. Weather conditions and time of year also play a role in what's in our air.
In the fall, we get things like mountain cedar, juniper, ragweed, and things that don't normally live in this area. They're imported from the hill country by cold fronts. Mold and algae that are indigenous to the area. That means they're here all the time. Things like ponds and casual water from rains.
We may take the quality of the air we breathe for granted, but knowing what's in our air has proven to be important to our health. This is Chief Meteorologist Bill Alexander reporting for your Hometown News.